Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to check the given rational number will give you a terminating decimal or a non-terminating recurring decimal without division. All we need to do is just to look at the denominator. But before that, you have to reduce the given number into the reduced form. You have to divide it. You have to divide P and Q by the common factor so that P and Q are co-prime and they shouldn't have any common factor. Now make prime factors of Q, only Q. You have to look only the denominator, make the prime factors of Q. If Q has 2, only 2 or only 5 or both as its prime factors, then this P by Q will give you a terminating decimal. Otherwise, it will give you a non-terminating recurring decimal. If you have any other factor other than 2 or 5, let me take few examples. Suppose you have 5 upon 2. You have to simply look at the denominator only. It is they are already in the reduced form. So you can write it as 2 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 0. So it is in the form of 2 and 5. It will give you a terminating decimal. In this case 50, you can write it as 25 into 2 and it is also in the reduced form. So 25 is 5 square into 2. Again it will give you a terminating decimal. In case of 91 by 200, again this is in the co-prime reduced form. Co-prime numbers hai 91 and 200 are co-prime. So it will also give you a terminating decimal. Now 187 and 88, if you will check, they are both divisible by 11. So they are not co-prime. First of all, you will make them co-prime by dividing by 11. 11 8s and 11 1s, then 11 7s. Right? So 17 by 8 आ गया हमारे पास. 8 will be 2 raised to power 3. We don't have 5. बेटा अगर 5 नहीं भी है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. 2 नहीं भी है, अगर ओनली 2 है तो भी चलेगा, ओनली 5 भी चलेगा और दोनों भी चलेंगे, बट देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी अदर फैक्टर. सो ये सारे आपको दिख रहे हैं टर्मिनेटिंग. बट अगर मैं यहाँ पर कोई और नंबर लेती हूँ, सपोज मेरे पास 188 अपॉन 88 आ जाता है, ये रिड्यूस हो रहा है, तो लेट मी टेक इट 3. ठीक है जी, लेट मी टेक इट 3. नाउ इट इज अगेन को प्राइम नंबर्स, बट हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आ रहा है, 3 आ रहा है. सो इट विल गिव यू अ नॉन terminating recurring decimal expansion. Non terminating recurring decimal expansion. So conclusion is, if a rational number will give you a terminating decimal if the denominator is of the form 2 raised to power some integer, it can be 0 also, into 5 raised to power some integer, but it will give you a non-terminating recurring decimal if there is some other factor k, where k is any prime other than 2 or 5. All right, thank you.